Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 6i minus 7 is greater than or equal to 5. We will go step by step to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. Step 1. To solve the inequality 6i minus 7 greater than or equal to 5 is to isolate the variable term. We start with the inequality 6i minus 7 greater than or equal to 5. The goal is to get the term with the variable 6i by itself on one side of the inequality. To achieve this, we need to remove the negative 7 from the left side. We can do this by adding 7 to both sides of the inequality. Remember that whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other to keep the inequality balanced. First, write out the inequality again, 6i minus 7 greater than or equal to 5. Next, add 7 to both sides. On the left side, negative 7 plus 7 equals 0, which leaves us with 6i. So we now have 6i on the left side. On the right side, 5 plus 7 equals 12. So after adding 7 to both sides, the inequality becomes 6i greater than or equal to 12. We have successfully moved the constant term to the other side, isolating the variable term. We are now ready for the next step. In summary, we started with 6i minus 7 greater than or equal to 5. We added 7 to both sides of the inequality. The result is 6i greater than or equal to 12. Step 2 to solving the inequality 6i greater than or equal to 12 is to isolate the variable I by itself. Currently, the term 6i is still being multiplied by 6. To remove the 6 and solve for I, we need to divide both sides of the inequality by 6. Remember, whatever you do to one side of the inequality, you must do to the other side to keep everything balanced. So we take the inequality 6i greater than or equal to 12 and divide both sides by 6. On the left side, when we divide 6i by 6, the 6's cancel out, leaving us with just I. On the right side, when we divide 12 by 6, the result is 2. Hence, the inequality becomes I greater than or equal to 2. This means that the variable I can be any number greater than or equal to 2. Now let's express this solution in interval notation. In interval notation, we write the solution as square bracket 2 comma infinity. The square bracket means that 2 is included in the solution since it is greater than or equal to 2. Infinity is always written with a round parenthesis because it is not a specific number and can never be reached. So, in summary, we divided both sides of the inequality by 6, which simplified the inequality to I greater than or equal to 2. The solution in interval notation is square bracket 2 comma infinity. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.